How to choose the right slant bed CNC lathe.
Why did you choose a slant bed CNC lathe? Because its processing precision is higher. However, the different range of slant angles 30, 45, and 60 of lathes also determine the different processing efficiencies and requirements of CNC lathes. Compact slant bed lathe, cost and space saving. 30 slant bed, rigid and affordable. Space-saving slant lathe, ideal for small shops. Optimal chip flow, high efficiency. Faster machining, longer tool life. Better cooling, wider compatibility. Extreme rigidity, superior chip control. Vibration-free, longer tool life. Optimized force and chip flow. Why did you eventually choose slant bed CNC lathes? When planning the production process, it is essential to consider the size, material, and geometry of the workpieces. Choose bed angle by part size. 30 for precision, 45-60 for medium or heavy workpieces. 30-45 beds suit small batches. For high-volume automation, prefer 45-60 models with efficient chip control. Evaluate spindle power, rigidity, travel, and repeatability. Reliable brands ensure lasting performance. When purchasing one or more CNC lathes, especially slant bed CNC lathes, it is particularly important to choose a manufacturer with good after-sales service. WMT CNC after-sales service can make you trustworthy.